the petals and the thorns, storms out on the oceans, the souls who will be born, and every drop of rain that falls for those who mourn. God is in the roses and the thorns. The sun is on the cemetery, leaves are on the stones. There never was a place on earth that felt so much like home. We're falling like the velvet petals, we're bleeding and we're torn, but God is in the roses and the thorns. I love you like a brother, a father and a son. It may not last forever, but it never will be done. My whole world fits inside the mold. I saw you be reborn. God is in the roses, and that day was filled with roses. God is in the roses and the thorns.